What does our free upper back pain workshop offer to doctors? Our exciting up-and-coming free training workshop will present never-seen-before information on upper back pain that will be presented by Dr. Justin Mandel, the founder of the TrapEAZE technique. The TrapEAZE technique has been in development for the past 20 years and it's the first upper back-specific modality. It works very effectively in just 4 simple steps and it's convenient because it takes less than 4 minutes to perform. Our training workshop will feature detailed information on upper back pain diagnosis, detailed diagnosis, treatment and stages, treatment strategy, trapezius muscle assessment, plus individual case studies. You'll learn about the 4 biggest mistakes that doctors make when treating upper back pain, 6 trapezius secrets to get real treatment results, and the 15 parameters that we use in our TrapEAZE technique report of findings that provides over 58.3 billion combinations of symptoms that upper back pain patients can experience. Included as part of this training, you'll receive 3 PDF downloads every day, so all you have to do is show up and learn, and you won't even need to take any notes. To attend this exciting free training workshop, register now by clicking on the link.